How to connect Shopify to Payoneer. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to your settings, and then the next step is to go to payments. Now the next step is to simply go to Payoneer. So as you can see here, you can create a business account. So what you're gonna have to do is simply create a business Payoneer account, and then you're gonna have to simply get access to their official credit card, as you can see here. And basically you're gonna be able to get paid and then connect this card here to your Shopify store. So after you order this card here, what you're gonna have to do is simply go back to Shopify payments here, and then you're gonna have to simply click on see all other providers. And as you can see here, you have different options that you can choose from, and what you're gonna have to do is simply choose any of these. So if you want, you can go with the Air Wallets here and connect the Air Wallets. So you're gonna have to click on install, and then you're gonna have to link this Payoneer card to Air Wallets. So basically you're gonna get paid directly to your Payoneer card. Now as you can see here, so if we go back, we can see that Shopify uh, enabled, as you can see, PayPal. So you can activate PayPal directly, but you cannot do that on with Payoneer basically, but only if you do this method here with the credit card. So this is the only method that works in order to connect Payoneer to Shopify, and I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.